saying that, man. Hold up. We live on YouTube, live on Twitch. Dang. Mmm. Hold up now. Hold up. Let me get my Instagram people. Instagram people. Hold up. Hey, hold up. Let me get back with y'all. Screen. Already live. Let me change it. Remove destination from the stream and we add it. Remove. And it's so cool how they telling me, they know exactly how to tell me how to do it. Re-add. Wow. You learning something new every day, baby. We live on Instagram, we live on Twitch, we going live on we live on YouTube, Twitch, and we resetting the Instagram. Y'all bear with me. Let's go into the crypto market. I got a fun fact for everybody who in, getting in right now. Say changes on Instagram. We're trying to get to the charts, but it ain't no rush. Shalom, shalom, and we got talk about hope it makes sense. Connection stuff to go live. Go live. We're finna go live. Come on, Instagram. We finna live 30 days. Oh, we still up? I ain't saying that. It say we down. Stream down is up. Hold up, man. I don't know if we're going live on Instagram, but anyway, I'm gonna roll with it. If stream down say we live, then we live. I'm gonna watch the playback and see live. But anyway, let's get into it, yo. Your brother Dolly Yahoo Yashara back again, and back with a currency review. Every day we're gonna be doing because I'm interested in that versus just that big. It's, you know, one day you can't. I was talking about this other day, talking about the stock market myself. It's a whole universe of investment opportunities. You can't just do one thing. You know, it's too much going on. It's same with what I talked about yesterday, Forex. Talking about Forex yesterday. It's too much going on. It's so many currency pairs. The market open 24 hours a day, 5 different time zones. It's switching markets across time zones from the London session, the New York session, Sydney, Australia session, Asian session. It's a month. I love Forex because being out of the country, out of America, trading time. It's always opportunity. But with that said, I'm gonna call it the most important fact is the most appreciated asset class this decade has been cryptocurrency. Like going up, it's at 70,000, 20,000 last year. It's like it's up 200% in the year. Like the Nasdaq not doing it. Euro USD, it ain't trading like that. Like so, you gotta invest in crypto. You got to. You just have to. It ain't nowhere. It ain't no two ways around it. You know, one of the biggest wealth generating opportunities of our generation is right in our face. And I want to talk about it. And we blessed because not just we from percentage of it, but more importantly, we just an opportunity. You know what I'm saying? The disposable cash flow and the wherewithal, the right age demographic to know what's going on, et cetera, et cetera. And yeah, we're in the right place at the right time. We watch Bitcoin and grow and what it is. And it's made a lot of people millionaires, but it ain't about making people millionaires or not. It's about just, again, we understand the charts. When you understand technical analysis, you can look at any item priced on a chart and tell, you know, if uptrend or downtrend, if it's overpriced, underpriced, et cetera, et cetera. So we want to leverage that and pay attention. Like, again, cryptocurrency got some, in the only crypto market or arena, you got some coins, right? Some projects, some coins that's like a fraction of a penny. And it can go to, if it goes to 1 penny, that's gonna be like 1,000% gain. Like, you're not gonna find that in small cap stocks, real estate, nothing like that. So it's like, it's worth the shot. You gotta pay attention. You gotta look at it. And yeah, this type of stuff is good to look at with like other people, a community of people. Nobody got all the answers, et cetera, et cetera. So let's get into it. I got a couple other websites I want to look at, but we're gonna start out with this. We're gonna start out with TradingView, our stock trading website, the website we use to look at the charts. And it ain't all about the charts with these cryptocurrencies. It's some other fundamental analysis and things we look at. But the big one, the big cryptocurrency that's basically um, controlling the whole cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is already the price reflected on the chart. You know, we pretty much know the fundamental of it is 1 million Bitcoin circulation or maximum 21 can be created. They just have to, you know, mine it, whatever. So, but this is a big deal because with Bitcoin, however Bitcoin goes, so goes the crypto rate. And Bitcoin, what a lot of people talk about how all these things come out. You know, the altcoin, all the other coins, the Bitcoin, and still, you know, wealth, significant wealth generating opportunity. Shalom, family. We back. Excuse me for the technical difficulties. Africa internet do what it do. But we live on Instagram. we live on YouTube, invest in more. And we're trying to do some pretty much, as I was saying, Bitcoin around and it's the high, and we go back a little bit. It didn't like hit, go to 7 and crash. It's just consolidating. So I'm sharing the screen, looking to, and this is what I want to show you. This is what we want to talk about. The daily chart of Bitcoin, and I was just talking about this area where it all-time high. We can pretty much get rid of this circle right here, the triangle. This we can get rid of this, circle on the chart. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Mic check 1 2 1 2. We're experiencing technical difficulties. Just went live and now we're reading, talking about reading the word, numbers, talking about alphabet of the Hebrew language. Now we're trying to look at some charts before we go to sleep. And we're having some issues, but y'all stay with me. Let's keep going. Yeah. So look at the chart. Bitcoin has a bit. So let's look at some other cryptocurrencies. What about Ethereum? Gotta check out the ETH. Let's see what's going on. Man, Solana is like the new Bitcoin, and with this stuff, like you said, like I was alluding to, cryptocurrency is like the greatest performing asset class right now. So anybody who call themselves a money manager, you got to pay attention to that. I'm talking also to people living internationally, saying Bitcoin is one of the best investment accounts you can have because it's the best place to store money while you move around from country to country, try to open up bank accounts. You can still make money on your money, right? But we said we have to continue learning, doing our research. I want to look at Ethereum right quick, but also Solana. Solana is like a coin that I heard a couple years ago. I invested in. Now, recently, time you talking about cryptocurrency, Solana is one of the top coins, and it is and protocol that other coins are built on top of. It's a blockchain transfer network, and other coins are built on top of Solana. And so you got, I think that's built on top of Solana. So you need to own Solana, that type of thing. So Solana is a fold in the last 100 years. I mean, like $2 or something like $1. a couple years ago, like less than $10. Now it's like $300, and it's a level 1 coin called, and there's other coins on top of that. So change is going on. You can't afford now because it's and I'm trying from Twitch. It actually giving me a reason to refresh my. They told me my internet was gonna be good, y'all. They told me I ain't had nothing to worry about, man. They told me I was gonna be straight, dog. But this Africa, man, they flaws to me, bro. They lied, man. Internet going in and out. But anyway, getting back to the point, I'm right. I'm looking at Ethereum. But before we go back to the chart, what I'm saying, the family is, as far as our Hebrew people, Hebrew community, I'm Dali Yahu Yasharal. This is Investing Yahuwah. Ain't nobody talking about cryptocurrency to the people, man. And of course, cryptocurrency is something that's most people, especially speaking from a Hebrew biblical perspective, it's something most people look at with they take it with caution. They think about it with a grain of salt. They look at it like this is the enemy, and I get it. This could be the groundwork for the mark of the beast. But at the same time, we living in this society, this economy, and one thing I learned in this walk and just looking at certain things, it's just like we may feel some way about some things, a certain country or whatever, but the time frame we're looking at, and things may not be happening as quick as we think it's going to happen. So to ignore an investment opportunity of some asset class, right? Because that's what it is, cryptocurrency, blockchain, it's an asset class. And to ignore asset class because we feel like we're skeptical about it, right? So we want to ignore it. And I'm just getting to the point why nobody really talking about this in the Hebrew community. We want to ignore this asset class, but it's going up 2,000% a year. And it's like, you could have made enough money to retire and go hide in the wilderness, whatever you want to do, to go help out more people, more families, to buy that farm and do more organic planting and gardening and whatever you want to be doing. But if you're ignoring the asset class that's appreciating more than any other asset class, why you continue to do traditional blue collar work, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's what we're not going to do. So definitely want to continue to foster that discussion about assets, investments, et cetera, amongst the Hebrew people in our community. But cryptocurrency, as much as I have to say, it's here to stay. It's here to stay. I remember in 2016 being outside the country in South America, reading the Bitcoin white paper, studying about Bitcoin. That's when it hit 17,000. It was just hitting 20,000. From like it, I watched it run up. I remember that year. It was like 2017. I watched it go from 7,000 because I remember it was big news. Oh, Bitcoin at 10,000. Everybody was on Wall Street. Everybody talking about Bitcoin hit 10,000, and we watched it go from 10 to 20 in like 3 months. I watched it, and now we talking about Bitcoin at 70,000, and some people still don't know what now. And it ain't only Bitcoin no more. It's like a universe of like over 1,000 cryptocurrencies at this point, and nobody talking about it. And it's like, what are we doing again? What have I been doing that time? we're not here for the shoulda, coulda, wouldas, but you could anybody invested. You could have been multi-trillionaire by now, millionaire. Obviously, who knows when you would have got in, when you would have got out, you would have sold too early or got in too late, because it went to 20,000 and went back down to 10,000 and then went back up to 60,000, then went back down to 20,000. Now it's back up to 70,000. So, we're not here for the woulda, coulda, shoulda. All this, what we want to continue to do is, and this is a great point, just talking about the thesis. What we want to do, our goal and our aim for this live stream and for the continued coverage is for us to continue learning investment principles, tactics, strategies, right? Have an action plan, because the Bible talk about that. The Bible talk about investing. The Bible talk about using your talents, and it say something very interesting about your talents. It say, basically, I'm gonna paraphrase, those who use their talents gonna get more talents, but people who don't, if they neglect their talents for investing, for turning one coin into two or two coins into 10, if you don't do that, basically what you working so hard for in a blue collar job or in a lifestyle where you bury your head in the sand, what you working for, you may jeopardize. And that is very interesting. Just the whole concept of that, analogy, that what you working for, you may lose. So that's crazy. That's crazy. So we want to pay attention to that. I think we still live on Instagram, but let's check out Ethereum, which is at all-time highs too. I remember Ethereum was $1,000. It was less than around $1,000. When was that? We got to go back to 20. It ain't been 1,000 since 2022, since 2020. That was the time, right? That was the time. Let's look at the monthly chart for this. Go back. I'm talking about $1,000. Look, Ethereum ain't even. It was 250. 2020, it went up under 1,000. But so, in all fairness, if you look at this chart, I'm gonna draw some lines on the chart, because we haven't drawn the lines on the chart. That's what we're here for. Do a little bit of technical analysis, and these lines is kind of important. We draw the lines on the chart, and then the next time we come back, they already there for reference. So that's important. The reference points. This may maybe not be the best zone of demand, but pretty much where the run came from. In 2020, or even 2022, it came down to $1,000. 2020 was the time. 2020, that COVID hit. 2020. Okay, now it was a run up from 2020 in America. We all watching it go up. It went to 3,700 already. Went back down to 1,000. And this zone was a supply zone, a demand zone, because it went here, consolidated, and started to go back up, right? In the last couple months, from this low in 2022, went sideways. Crypto, the market has been dormant. Crypto market was dormant. This whole rectangle right here just show you the market was sideways for a long time, but now it's breaking out. May come back down for a little retest. And maybe time to bite, jump in, because the way things are moving with inflation, the way things are moving, the technological advancements in semiconductors and artificial intelligence, we know cryptocurrency finna go now. You know what I'm saying? When they were just talking about cryptocurrency in a manual labor driven world, it kind of like, yeah, whatever. Now it's like AI, chat GPT, man, you better get you some cryptocurrency, especially you want to travel, you want to go from this country to that country. The banking system's not the best. The conversion rates are not always favorable. I think cryptocurrency is like one of the best options for expatriates, for nomads, people who living abroad. I think it's one of the best savings accounts. Why, especially, this is another thing, in an environment, right, an investment environment, that we see in countries devalue their currencies. Countries like the United States, Japan, all these countries, it's a race to the bottom. If you following financial news, you know, if you financially literate any kind of way, you know, the United States got $30 trillion plus worth of debt. They can't pay that money back. They're not gonna pay that money back. The way how to get out of debt is to inflate their way out of debt. If the money worth less, inflation go up, that $32 trillion gonna pale in comparison tomorrow when a dollar ain't worth as much, when it's gonna take, when the GDP of 1 year after inflation gonna be 50 trillion, right? Because the inflation go up so much. Not just the earnings of the country in 1 year could pay off the debt of that old debt. So, you know, these people playing some crazy games, some crazy financial games, and we got to be paying attention. And cryptocurrency is an asset class that they give it to us. They telling us about it, and they putting it on the table. And people in America, American citizens like us, we got a chance to take advantage of it. And that's really another reason why I feel like I'm obligated to talk about cryptocurrency and to be a leader in this space, right? Because I'm here sitting in the country, on a continent where it's like 1 in a million, literally, own cryptocurrency. 1 in 100,000 know what it is. So when we talk about the advantage we have coming from a technologically advanced society and a developed economy, and to have access to a technology that is clearly going to be tomorrow's staple, right? Why wouldn't we take advantage of that? Somebody tell me, like, whoever watching, tell me, why would we not take advantage of the opportunity to earn cryptocurrency? So this is going on for a while. We already 35 minutes live. We had some technical difficulties up and down. So I hope whoever listening caught that. I hope everything making sense. But let's jump into some charts, you know, and just get a little bit more perspective. Yeah, so let's say this was the low, this was the high, it came from here, went to here, so we got a little bit more to go to get to the high. Ethereum has been as high as 4,700. And right now we at 3,700, creeping up back to the all-time highs. But it was rejected from that area, you know, so that's a demand, that's an area where supply is heavy and people feel like selling there. So if we get back up to the area, we want to be cautious, right? We don't want to buy up again when it get 4,000. But if it come back down to 2,000, that's when we backing up the truck. And so that's why we're drawing charts. That's what we're looking at. I hope it's making sense. And already, you know, just giving a little brief analysis, I'm already feeling like, you know, I got something out of it. It's making some sense. Look at this stuff. So Ethereum is in the uptrend for sure. We could draw a line from the bottom and look at the trend and the angle is going, but it's pretty clear to see. And it's the Bitcoin, Ethereum are the majors. These are the Dow Jones of the crypto space. These are the blue chip crypto coins, right? But there's so many other ones, and that's what I want to do, and that's what I want to kind of get to. Take a look at some of the other stuff. Solana, for example. Solana is one that we haven't heard. Look, just the last year. Oh, it's doing it. Oh, Lord. Your house ain't do this. Real estate ain't do this. The stock market ain't do this. A year ago, we in May 2024. It's $169. Like I told y'all, it's been as high as $200. But just a year ago, Solana was $20 a coin. That's a 20x, man. That's like from $10 to $200. It's not a lot of asset classes that's doing that. There's not a lot of asset classes that's doing that. You'll be happy to buy it again at 100 right now. And so this is what we're paying attention to. And we see it's been this high. It's been this high before. This is why cryptocurrency is something you got to watch. It's something we have to chart. Again, me doing this live, I'm helping myself. I want to serve others and add value. This is why we got to look at the charts, because it's cryptocurrency season. It's been to 200 before. 2020, it went to 250, 280, almost 300. But went back down to $10. Like, that's crazy. That's crazy. If you would have held, you would have lost a lot of money. But if you traded it out, you know, you watching the charts. If you actively trade, you would have got out, and then, you know, you see it break out right here when it broke out, even this one, it looked like, oh, that's expensive, man. You would have bought that. You would have tripled 3 more times. That's crazy. Is that not crazy? That's crazy. That's crazy. That is crazy, man. Cryptocurrency is the fastest growing asset class. It's the highest, it's the asset class with the highest returns right now. And so it's like anybody with the invest tag, you talking about investments, you ain't in cryptocurrency, go climb to the top of the bridge, you can find. Obviously, it's not the most stable. It's not the most stable. It's most stable things, treasuries. I don't know about not U.S. treasuries, but you got bonds as an asset class, fixed income, real estate, gold, most stable for sure. But if you invest that same amount of money in cryptocurrency, you're gonna get a higher return. And that's what we're looking at right now. We got to balance that, and we have to pay attention to these charts. Yeah, regardless of how you guys feel about it. And so yeah, that's what's going on. So let's look at coinmarketcap.com. Let's shift gears and look at the greater cryptocurrency universe. And so that's what we're gonna do. It's a cryptocurrency universe, family, and I hope it's making sense. It's not just Bitcoin, it's not just Ethereum, it's not just Solana, it's not just these layer 1 coins, man. It's meme coins, it's coins. So you got layer 1 coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Then you got layer 2 coins, like the meme coin, Dogecoin, Pepe coin, and then you got other different type of coins with utility, level 3 coins, etc., etc. What is going on, man? Nah, we ain't trying to find the box scores. Okay, so yeah, we got to pay attention to all these cryptocurrencies and look at the market cap. Bitcoin like $1 trillion market cap already. I don't even know how to read this number. Like $1 trillion market cap or $10 trillion market, gazillion trillion zillion dollar market cap. But Solana, again, one of the top Bitcoin, one of the top coins. Yeah, it's the 5th biggest coin by market cap. You see, all these coins are layer 1 coin. Bitcoin, obviously, the cryptocurrency of them all. Ethereum, like the second one has been around, at least the second longest, relatively. And it's other coins built on top of the Ethereum network. So that's what they call a layer 1 coin. Binance, BNB coin. This is the official coin of the crypto coin brokerage, Binance, and you use the BNB coin to buy things and swap other coins on the BNB platform, a trading platform. So it's like a layer 1 coin or platform coin. But I remember 5 years ago, BNB coin was $200, but it's gonna continue to grow as long as that platform continue to grow. More people placing their Bitcoin inside Binance wallets. They're gonna have to use BNB coin. They keep buying it, people holding it as an investment. The market is off the chain. It's crazy right now, y'all. Solana, again, is recently famed level 1 coin that people are building it's a protocol or cryptocurrency, a coin, and people are building other protocols on top of it, utilizing a smart contract system or whatever it may be. Things are going on, family. Let's check out Dogecoin, XRP. Let's check out some penny coin. Let's look at some cheap coins right now. Man, I'm switching screens. Shiba Inu. Wow, that's a meme coin. It has no functionality, basically no usability, but it made a lot of people a lot of money. It got popular, went up in value. Now it went down a lot in value. You see, this is what I was referencing. It's one of them coins right here that is like it's not even a 10th of a penny. It's like 100th of a penny. But it's up 3% today. You feel me? You can make money on anything in the market. It's a shame. It's a shame, but it ain't a shame. It's like you got to get in where you fit in, cuz. It's off the chain. So yeah, let's take a look at some kind of reputable $100 small cryptocurrency coin, XRP. Let's see what XRP got to tell us. Oh, stream. We talked about Ethereum. Let's look at XRP. US Tether. So yeah, this is consolidation. It's going sideways. This one ain't got no big news right now. Consolidating, been around since 2019. Been as high as $1.50, 190. Been as high as $2. You see how quick it touched $2 and came back down? You gotta be careful from it. Get in, get out. Gotta know how to read these charts. When the right time to get in, when the right time to get out. But it's consolidating. It's consolidating now around 50 cents. And the whole point is, again, understanding chart, technical analysis and charting. Usually after an asset finishes consolidating like it is, it's preparing for a breakout. Breakout either to the upside or to the downside, but it's not much lower. Compared to its relative lows, it's already as low as it can go pretty much. So these some things you want to pay attention to, family. XRP, Dogecoin. Let's look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, what? So again, Dogecoin is a meme coin. You see the meme, you can't even look at the chart and be serious. The memes jumping out, they popping out. The meme came with 3 switches, man. They popping out. So it's a meme coin. Look how it doubled already. Beginning of the year, it was at 7 cents. It went as high as 22 cents. It doubled in like 2 months. The NASDAQ not finna, Bitcoin ain't finna flip like that. In 2 months. That's like it was at 70,000. It went to 22,000, 2.1 million, and it came back down to 70,000. Like, that's crazy. 200,000 came back down to 70. It's a 7 cent coin, man. It went to 20 cents. It's expensive already. It's already expensive. That's why with these cryptocurrencies, you got to have a stop loss or something like that. But this coin has been as high as 70 cents in 2021. So it's nowhere near all-time high. It's room to run, as they say. And things we got to pay attention to. Got to pay attention. Ether scan. So yeah, we on trading view right now. That's what we sharing the screen at. But it's some other trading website. That we got to take a look at, man. Ethereum blockchain explorer. Nah, that ain't what we're trying to see right now. I mean, it's good for research. CoinGecko. Yeah, I'm checking out some other coins to see if we can like find a better place to do some research, get some more information on some of these coins, see what's going on, which new coins coming out. Man, I'm telling you, the cryptocurrency market is off the chain. It's a new coin dropping like every other day, every 5 minutes. Not all of them gonna be winners, but if you pay attention, cryptocurrency has made millionaires, and you know, research involved, maybe worth it. What's going on? Page unresponsive. Okay, exit page. We could wait, but let me just exit this page. Stop sharing. Yeah, family. So don't think I'm sharing another page, another screen right now. Yeah, cryptocurrency is something to keep an eye on. I have a cryptocurrency brokerage account. I need to get the link to Binance and put it on the put it on here in the description somewhere. Make a YouTube video. But cryptocurrency is something I urge you to pay attention to because I feel like a lot of people I know, a lot of people from the neighborhoods where I come from, uneducated about it. They don't really know, and people who are educated about it are kind of skeptical about it. But huge potential for gains, and also the more we educate ourselves, the more dangerous we are. Very simply put, if we know about blockchain technology, if we understand these things we can use to our advantage. But we have to understand it. We have to apply ourselves. We have to try. Simply put, we got to try. So, yeah, some pages unresponsive. We had some technical difficulties with this, so I'm not going to try to stress this out too long. But it's very important that we continue to expand our financial horizon, the horizon of our understanding, try new things, try to do some research, right? We got time. And that's what I'm proving with going live. Even I have time. Looking at these things takes time, it takes effort, but it feel better when I could do it. If I feel like I'm doing it for the community, and obviously if I feel like I'm learning something, I'm getting something out of it. So that's what we're gonna continue to do. We're gonna try to take care of the internet issues, make sure that we're able to stream smoothly. But cryptocurrency here to stay. I'm gonna get the link to the Binance and drop it in probably the comments are here or YouTube when I put this YouTube video up on YouTube. But urge everybody to try to open up a crypto account. I mean, obviously nobody have to. I understand all the reasons against it, but it's an asset class that's it's on the rise and it cannot be denied, right? And I think that's my point. It's something like you want to be a part of. It's easy to delete it, an account later. Take your money out, transfer them funds into cash, cold hard cash, and do what you want to with it. But this digital money being made is no joke. No joke. It's real money. So it's something we got to pay attention to. I'm gonna leave it right there. The sharing screen is lagging a little bit, and I want to just test out a few of the websites. But be sure to like, subscribe, follow us on Twitch. Twitch is where all the lives gonna be showing up, and they get recorded and stay on Twitch. It's YouTube. Invest in Yahuwah Rafa, News Babal, Dabarim. Follow us on YouTube and tap in, man. Get in with us. We're gonna keep trying to deliver value, and hopefully you guys keep finding value, right? So it's been me, your brother Daliyahu. We have just completed our Invest in Yahuwah crypto market review, and what shall we say then, right? What should we say after looking at these cryptocurrencies? Proceed with caution. That's what I would say when I look at these charts. Bitcoin is near all-time highs. Again, it's a good savings mechanism. Being out of the country, traveling, long-term savings account. You may get more out of Bitcoin than a high-yield savings account, paying 5% right now. APY, you're gonna get 5% a month in Bitcoin. So, but it's near all-time high. So this don't mean put all your money into it. You could buy a little bit, right, and watch to see if it break out above that, and then you could dump more money into it. But it might pull back. Then it might be a better chance to buy more Bitcoin at a lower price. And same thing with these other coins, the other altcoins. We got to keep our eye on them. So that's what we want to do. It's already been 50 minutes. This live stream just went fast, but at the same time, we had some technical difficulties. So I'm going to leave it right there. Appreciate you guys for joining. Stay on the lookout for the updates on our Instagram pages and the full length videos coming out on YouTube pages. All of the live streams can be found on Twitch. And until next time, family, shalom, shalom.